Hello my viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this gaming motherboard from Gigabyte, the model Z790 AORUS Elite AXW. Intel chipset, supports 13 Gen 12 and 14 Intel Core processors with LGA 1700, PCI Express 5 and RAM DDR5. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it, install it to my PC case from Be Quiet. I have made a video you can check after the end of this video right in the corner or down below in the description on the Be Quiet playlist. We have the guide included. You need to scan the QR code for more information. SATA cable, 2 SATA cable, transparent, I like that. Nice. And of course we have then the antenna, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth version 5.3. And the G connector for the motherboard. Wow! It looks amazing. Black and white Gigabyte antenna, and the cable length, it is 60 centimeters. And the 2 connections. The G connector and the 2 SATA cable, one with 90 degrees corner. Okay, now let's see one by one what we have at the motherboard. Intel Z790 socket, express chipset, support for 14, 13 and 12 generation Intel Core with integrated graphic processor Intel HD that supports 4K resolution. 4 DDR5 DIMM sockets supporting up to 192 GB and dual channel memory architecture. I will use the A2 and the B2. AORUS Design Lab. Advanced heatsink thermal design with 6mm heat pipe, and it looks amazing. It's so cold. That's how it will lower the temperature. From the twin 16+1+2 digital VRM design with 90 amp smart power states for full potential of CPU overclockers. Like me. What can I say? I like to overclock my CPU. Here we have one PCI Express 5 with eSlots, the easiest way to remove your graphic card or install, and with an ultra durable armor. And one PCI Express 4 and one PCI Express 3. Underneath this heatsink we have one PCI Express 4 M2 with thermal guard 3. And here at this area, the large heatsink, we have another 3 PCI 4 M2 slots. To remove that, we need to remove these 3 screws. And there it is. And we have the enlarged thermal guard. With ease slots here, the easiest way to install your NVMe card. Rotate and it will lock. So easy, no screws. Rotate and lock. For me, I will use this one, the first. Remove the film, there it is, and then install the NVMe M2 card. Rotate, and that was all. Lock it. Remove the film in here. Install that here. That was all. So easy. And of course, and for the RAM. Just press and it will lock these two clips here and here. And of course the CPU. So easy. Here we have the two 8-pin ATX 12V power connector for your CPU, the 24-pin ATX main power connector here, CPU optional fan, CPU fan, one addressable LED strip header and one RGB LED strip header. The same, another two here at the bottom, so total we have 2 and 2. Two USB 3.2 Gen ports support through the internal USB header for the front panel. Here we have a Thunderbolt 1 USB Type-C port with USB 3.2 Gen 2 support through the internal USB header connection for the front panel at your PC case. And here we have another 4 USB 2 through the internal USB headers. There are here another 4 PWM fan connectors, 4 system fan connectors, and the one it is for the pump, water cooling CPU fan header. And of course here we have and the 6 SATA 6 gigabit connectors. One front panel audio header, the audio here at this area, one Q flash button here, one reset button, and one clear CMOS button near the SATA connectors. So we have so many things for this motherboard. And of course we have in the back panel. So there is the back panel. 4 USB 2 ports, Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth 5.3 with AORUS antenna, Intel and Realtek drivers, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A on red color, DisplayPort 1.2 version and HDMI 2.1 version ports, USB Type-C port 20G, 3.2 Gen 2x2 support, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 on blue color, one 2.5 gigabit LAN on a red color with Realtek, 2 audio jack support 7.1 channel with Realtek audio codec, and one optical out connector. That's all about at the back. Okay. And there is the battery. So let's move on. Install this at my PC. To install the water cooling on the CPU, I will use one of these thermal pastes that was provided to me by Thermal Hero. The Ultra series is a silicon-based thermal paste with ultra-high cooling performance, very low thermal resistance and high thermal conductivity. The Thermal Hero Metallic series thermal paste is a liquid metal compound with extremely high cooling performance, have low thermal resistance but high thermal conductivity. Thermal Hero Quantum is a silicon-based thermal paste that offers excellent cooling performance due to its high thermal conductivity and low thermal resistance, particularly effective in cooling processors and other components. Thermal Hero Neo is a silicon-based thermal compound that offers a wide range of applications thanks to its outstanding thermal properties. The new thermal paste has optimum flow behavior with very low thermal resistance and high thermal conductivity, and I will use this one. Included in the box we have one thermal paste syringe 1 gram, and you can choose to buy with maximum weight 50 gram, 99.9% alcohol cleaning wipe and spatula. Installing the thermal paste at the CPU, apply a small amount to the area around the CPU, concentrating on the center and leaving 2 mm area around. With everything I have installed on the motherboard in my big wide PC case, there is not much to see of the motherboard. Installation was very easy, 8 screws, the power 24-pin ATX, 2x8-pin CPU, SATA cables, USB front panel, LEDs, fans and done. So in my next video I will give you my overall opinion on this motherboard and how it performs. I will dive into the BIOS and see all the settings. That's why don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.